Hi, it's Phias Tarot. Hello, Gemini placements. This is your December reading. Okay, so general and the person on your mind. So, let's see ano bang meron. Again, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading and sa ating mga charms, yeah, they're all available. Yeah, just message me. Okay, so yes, ito yung pantanggal po ng blockage. So, isa-isahin ko. Ito yung ating 2-in-1 Love and Money Bracelet with citrine stone. Good for business. Okay, good for business. Good for connection. And syempre, itong ating granter necklace. So, dito ka pwedeng mag-customize ng inyong mga gustong makuha. No? Oo, kasi dito, ipo-provide nito kung anong pwede, kung anong dapat sa'yo. Ito naman, yes, dito ka pwedeng humiling, dito ka pwedeng mag-manifest, siya yung mag-grant. And again, kung may blockage ka, okay, hindi yun papasok, nakastay lang yun sa frequency mo, yes, oo, and sabihin nating maghihintay ka ng matagal-tagal, okay, hanggat nandoon yung blockage mo, hindi siya papasok, or sabihin nating pwedeng mabugbog na lang na mabugbog doon, no? Yung inyong minanifest or yung sabihin nating dapat na para sa iyo, okay? Masisira na lang doon sa frequency. So mas maganda isama mo to. Okay? And syempre, yes. So available ang ating mga evil eye protection. Evil eye protection. Okay? So, again, ito habang nasa frequency, ano ba ang dinadali ng evil eye? 'Di ba yung mga nasa frequency? O, 'di ba? So, dapat meron din kayong protection. Yes. So, available ang ating mga pang-cleanse, ang ating pang-recharge, okay, ng inyong mga charms. And, ang tawag dito, yung ating bago, yung ating attracting spray. Okay, good for love, good for connection, good for money. Okay, so if you're interested, yeah, just message me. Okay, so parang merong tawag dito, merong ipinost si admin bago sa page. Check nyo na lang po if you're interested. It's the healing oil. Okay, so nandun naman yung description nasa page, nasa post. So basahin nyo na lang po. Okay, so yeah, collaboration po yun. Ayaw nila magpasabi. Yes, so let's start the reading. Okay, so gagamit tayo ng oracle, mga Gemini. So, this December, anong meron? Anong darating? What to expect? Okay, so let's see. Kuha tayong tatlo. So, madaliin ko lang yung reading kasi baka abutin ako ng, aking cervical vertigo, no? Yes, oo. So, false person this December. Okay, false person. Bad health. Okay, ito specific. This false person specifically may chance na magdulot ng hindi maganda sa iyo. Okay, physically, mentally, emotionally. Yeah, so you have to avoid them. There could be an energy vampire. Yes, an energy vampire. So it's like whenever na sila'y malapit or nakakausap mo, you feel drained, no? Every time na aalis na sila or kahit magkausap pa lang kayo, you feel drained. They're like, energy vampire. We call that energy vampire. Energy vampires, okay? Official person. Okay, so you have here number 8, 31, and 22. Yeah, could be significant this December. So, what's with this false person? False person. For our Gemini placements, anong kailangan nung malaman dito? Ooh, be careful po sa pera. Ha? So, I think, hindi mo kailangan na magtiwala agad-agad, lalo na po sa pamamera. Ito po ha, nakakita ko dito ng issue sa pamamera or sa family. Okay? So, be careful. Some of you, kung ikaw ito mag-i-invest, mas maganda talaga na aralin mo muna. The background, maybe. Yan, mga ganyan po, no? So, napaka-specific nun. Pagdating sa pamamera, hindi mo kailangan magtiwala. May chance po dito ng scammers na may mas scam. Okay? Ano tong bad health for you, Gemini, this December? The Knight of Swords in reverse. Okay, so some of you taking actions, no, fast actions na kailangan yung gawin this December if you're experiencing something pagdating po sa health. Okay, so kung meron man itong mga nakaraan na, so tingnan nyo na kung paano ang gagawin, anong dapat gawin, mga ganyan. Okay, wag nyo i-delay. Okay, wag nyo i-delay. Kung kailangan nyo magpatingin sa doctor, then go. Wag kayo mag self-diagnose. Okay, mas mahirap mag self-diagnose. So next, what's with this official person? Official person. The Knight of Pentacles. Oh, I'm hearing somebody na pwedeng magbigay ng ang tawag dito, power trip. Okay, pwedeng may mag power tripping this December. Somebody na pwedeng may power over you. Okay, Knight of Pentacles Universe. Some of them pwedeng ang tawag dyan, parang sila yung hahawak sa situation, sila yung magbibigay ng delays or whatsoever. Okay, so the Queen of Swords. Lalo na kung legal to, may mga legal matter kung ano man. Mas maganda dito na dapat inaalam nyo. Okay, alam nyo yung inyong, sabihin nating power din to speak. Okay, doon sa tao. Huwag nyo papakita na kayo ay pwedeng i-under nyo or whatsoever BS. Okay, so yeah, may mga ganong kasing tao na pwedeng okay, papaikot-ikutin ko tong taong to, or tawag dyan, pahihirapan ko tong taong to kasi wala ako yung may kapangyarihan dito so ikaw, okay, sige, bumalikan lang bukas kasi medyo marami pang ginagawa. Mga ganun. Okay, learn how to speak. Okay, yung hindi yung oo ka lang ng oo. Yeah, this December. Okay, yeah, ang dalas ng ganyan, pababalik-balikin ka, di ba? So kapag hindi ka kasi nagsalita dyan makikita nila na parang okay, go, pwede kitang ipanghuli kahit sabihin natin pwede naman na ikaw na yung aksyonan, parang ganun, or anything. Okay, this could be your boss. Some of you, this could be your boss or a boss. Those kind of energies, so nakakayamot. Annoying. So tayo ay tumungo sa person. Okay, let's see the person on your mind, Gemini. The person on your mind. The person on your mind. Who is this? The person on Gemini's mind. Oh my gosh, struggle. Oh my, the Three of Swords in reversed. Some of you, may chance na ikaw is nag-heal na from the person. You already forgive the person. Some of you. Okay, maybe, nandyan yung energy ng third party involvement, separation. Okay, you dealt with so much pain from the person, Anyway, so the Three of Swords in reversed. Justice and oh, yeah, this is infidelity. Some of you, this could be an energy of a secret affair. Yeah, a secret affair, no label connection, no label. Yeah, it's like, yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse, the Four of Pentacles in reverse, no label. Yeah, nandyan yung energy. It could be a Libra and an air sign like you, fellow air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Okay. There's imbalance, infidelity, tago, no connection with the person. Let's see. May iba dito, sabihin natin okay lang yung connection na ganyan. Okay lang para sa'yo. Yeah, wala naman kasing kaseryosohan eh. Yeah, this is just like an energy of playtime. Let's see your person. Anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya, Gemini? The Seven of Swords. Feeling niya talaga. Sabihin natin yan. This is tago talaga, the Seven of Swords. Energy of being sneaky. Deceptive. Deception. Yeah. So, Seven of Swords. And the Nine of Wands in reverse. Pwede pong malaman to. Pwedeng mabunyag to. Okay? I heard somebody is like kiss and tell. Doing kiss and tell. Meron ditong nagkikiss and tell. So, meron ba ditong already na parang may anak na, kasal na, pero meron pa rin ganito? Yeah, cheating. This is typical na third party connection. Cheating. Okay. The person, sabihin natin hindi rin naman talaga totally nag-trust, nagbibigay ng tiwala sa'yo. Or the situation itself, hindi ka tiwa-tiwala. Pero, yeah, it gives you what? Para siyang happy pill. Anyway, so what is their emotion for you? Let's see. Their emotion for you, Gemini. The Page of Wands in reversed. Somebody could be younger. What's with that Page of Wands in reversed? The Ace of Swords in reversed. Ay, so nakikipaglaro lang din talaga siya actually. So kung kayo ay naglalaro, okay lang din, they're open. Yeah, hindi pa nito naiintindihan yung situation. I don't know, Gemini, some of them wala silang alam sa inyong yung part mo. Okay, some of them hindi nila alam. Yeah, that's channeled. Could be vice versa or flip yung energy. Kasi channeled lang naman siya. Okay? Pwedeng ikaw, hindi mo alam na siya is meron. Meron na. Meron ditong talagang laro-laro lang. This is a sex-based connection, I think. A sex-based connection. Passionate one. So what is their next action towards you? The Five of Pentacles. So may chance na umalis na lang to bigla. Yeah. Bando na ang connection. Yeah. The Eight of Pentacles. May chance talaga na ito is parang mang-ghost na lang, iwan ka sa ere. Are you ready sa ganon? Even though, yeah, nakikita natin na nakikipaglaro ka. Pero kaya mo ba na bigla na lang siyang mawala? Bigla na lang siyang maging absent? No? Oo, a wall. No, bigla na lang yung mang-ghost. Yes. Again, the person kasi is hindi seryoso, hindi rin siya ganyan na ka-focus or yeah, naglalaro lang to, lalaro ka lang din. Naglalaro lang kayo. So, anong outcome nyo? This December. May chance po na itong taong to, madali siyang maumay, madali siyang mabored. Yeah. So, kung walang ibang challenge aside sa maging secret affair, no, lalayo to. Oo. Parang mas gusto pa niya ng sabihin nating mas mabigatang challenge. Oh my gosh. So, let's see. Outcome ninyo this December. Oh my gosh. The Four of Cups in reverse. Meron ditong manghihinayang. Meron. Ayan o, the Four of Cups in reverse. What's with that? The World, yeah. So, I think, magkakaroon kasi ng attachments. Makakaramdam ng pagkawala, parang ganyan, makakaramdam ng, yun nga, sabi ko, some of you, are you ready kapag ganito ang ginawa niya sa'yo? Kasi pwedeng kayo is nasasanay sa ganyang setup. Okay, syempre, kapag nasanay ka, pag may nawala, hahanap-hanapin mo eh. So, ito yun. Okay? So, meron ditong magme-message, meron dyang mangungulit, yan. Anyway, parang ang nakakaawa lang dito is kung meron ditong hindi nga alam yung side nung isa na committed na. Pero kung alam naman na, then yeah, huwag ka masyadong ma-attach dito. Okay? Hindi ko ina-advise na ma-attach ka. Kung kayo ay talagang tagunga yung connection nyo, hindi ko kayo makokontrol na itigil yan, diba? Buhay nyo yan eh. Okay, pero yun nga, hindi ko alam eh. I cannot. I can't. I just can't. Oh my gosh. Oh my golly. Wala akong maisip. Oo, na-advise. Kundi, kung hindi ka handa, no? Kung hindi ka handa na masaktan. Oo, hindi ka handa na mawala. Mawala ng nakasanayan dyan sa connection na yan. Makakaramdam ka ng sadness, ganyan. Kung hindi ka handa sa ganon, huwag mo nang gawin, huwag mo nang pasukin. Yes. Siyempre, meron naman talagang hindi posibleng ma-attach talaga yun, no? Lalo na kung may sex. Madalas dyan, babae. Kung babae ka. O, diba? Sa una, yes, go lang. Sa una, happy lang. Pero, oh no, kapag tumatagal na, ay nakaw. Diyan na yung parang kang maghahabol. Are you ready for that? Again, nakita natin yung person mo pwedeng i-ghost ka, pwedeng mawalaan lang bigla. Yun ang nakita natin. So, 'di ba? Humaba pa rin yung reading natin. Balong ko talaga hanggang 10, 12 minutes. Well, so all signs are true, Pisces. Aries, kontento. Okay? Nakakontento siya. Masaya. Taurus, they're expecting something. They're waiting for you. Gemini, breakups, healing energy. Could be thinking of you. Okay? Cancer, codependency. They want you. Leo, you can't trust this person. Virgo, they have trust issues. Libra, I think some of them, they're stalking you right now, even though, yun nga, silent siya. Some of you, nasa separation kayo. It could be a third party involved. Okay? Scorpio. Narinig ko walking on thin ice. I don't know kung ano yun. Okay, pero yeah, si Scorpio, they want ang tawag dyan, attention. They want to get your attention. So, Sagittarius, they're trying to avoid you, pero they can't. Capricorn, so, may panghihinayang pagdating dun kay Capricorn. Aquarius, so si Aqua, natatakot na siyang mag-give chance or whatsoever, no? O, takot na siya masaktan muli, parang ganyan, si Aqua. So, Pisces. So, si Pisces, parang hindi siya nakakita ng growth dito, improvement, wala, progress, wala. Okay, pwedeng kulang lang dito is simple communication. Yeah, parang yun ang kulang dito. Anyway, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Gemini placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And use natin pong YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Yes, pakitingnan na lang po. And yeah, don't forget na mag-subscribe din. Thank you. Bye.